Hello, good morning students. I am here with the topic new topic, that is how you can apply the validation on particular data, or if you enter any data, which type of data you have to enter in the particular column. Okay, suppose you are looking here this area that I have here selected, and in this particular area I want to apply the validation rule for entry. You are looking here, the filter option already applied. Now I have to apply the validation. Here is three types of validation you are looking here. Firstly, I want to apply the validation. First validation will apply from here, and it will clear from the clear validation circles. Okay, let's start validation. This is the bin dialog box of the validation. From here you have to give the criteria for entry. Like suppose I want to apply in this cell, in the selected list, only number. If anyone want to add any number in this particular area, anyone want to add something, then it will alert firstly the user to enter only the number, that is whole number, not any fractional number. And I have given here maximum and minimum range of the number from which the user can bound to enter the record. Suppose I have here selected 100 to 500. Minimum is 100 and maximum value is 500. If anyone want to add the number of products quantity, then maximum quantity can be enter 500 and minimum 100. Okay, this is the condition I have here applied. And you are looking here, apply the changes to all other cell with the same setting. If you want to tick on this particular area, you have to release the selection, then you can apply here. Okay, now you have to give the first is in before the input, which message will shows to the user. You have to write here the message for the user before entering. So now here I am writing here the title of the message. I have entered here data entry. Right here enter the number only. This is the title, and I have written the message that displayed to the user, kindly enter the number 100 to 500. Quantity 100 to 500. Okay, and then you have to use the three types of alert. You are looking here, style alert. You have to write the title stop entry, the entered quantity of product is invalid. This is the message for alert if anyone made wrong, not followed the input message instruction. Okay, now you are looking here, and you are looking here the dot also. Here is giving the all the green marks that display here. It means these are the numbers invalid. And suppose you want to enter the number 100, it will accept by the computer. If you enter 500, it will accept the entry. And suppose you have entered the less than 176, it will alert to you the entered quantity of product is invalid. Okay, and if you enter more than 500, suppose you have entered more than 500, it will again alert to you, you have entered product number of quantity of product is invalid, because we have to enter 100 to 500, minimum 100, maximum 500. Okay, but suppose you have changed the setting once again, you go again to the validation and you have changed the warning, it will display. Again check what will be here displayed. Suppose I have entered 120, it has been accepted. If I have entered here 500, selected. If I entered 67, then you are looking here, it only alert to you and ask to you if you want to continue, then you have to select yes. It means if you want to accept the wrong entry, you have to click on yes, and if you want to stop the entry, then you have to click on. You are looking here, it has been accepted. Again I have entered a wrong entry, it has been stopped the entry. It will allow to you, it is displaying the message you have to enter the 100 to 500. Okay, this was the alert that we have to apply. And suppose you have apply here only in the information alert style information, then only it warn to you, but wrong entries will be accepted by the computer. You are looking here, I have entered here 34, it is alerting to you. As you click on the OK, it will accept. So best validation style is stop. This is the best validation style. Okay children, I hope you understand about the validation. And you can also change the any other numbers, just like I have taken here whole number. You can use the any list, any decimal number, date, time, etc. also. You can decide the length of the any number, just like आप मोबाइल नंबर एंटर करना चाह रहे हैं या किसी का नेम एंटर करना चाह रहे हैं, then you have to set the number of characters, then that particular column user can enter between the length of the characters or numbers. Okay, thank you. This is the setting of the validation rule. And suppose you want to clear the validation, you have to just click here, click on this particular area. As you click on this particular area, the validation will be removed from the selected list. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.